Hello, hello! So in this video, I wanted to share how I am making my memory ornaments. My mother and my father are both deceased, but of course around the holidays we want to honor their memory, and I thought what a nice way to do it other than to bring out their photos and put them on our marble tiles that we have done several videos on. So I'm going to make another one of these with all of you, and you can do the same thing with water slide paper, marble tiles, and a few supplies from Hobby Lobby. Let's get started. So for this project, you are going to need the water slide paper. Now, I am using the white one on this project only because I want to make sure that my design or my picture really stands out. And on the clear, it might be a little fainted. I'm not real sure. So I just wanted to make sure that I could clearly see the images. And I printed them on my silhouette using the print and cut so that I got a full, nice circle on them. These are about 1 3/4 in diameter if you wanted to make them. So again, the link for the water slide paper is below in the description. I also purchased these cute little, they come in a little bag like this. I'm not sure if there's 25 in here. I'll put the link below. But here are the little angel wings. I thought that these were super cute. And I got the bows from Hobby Lobby. They come in a package like this. I know that they are hard to find now because I looked for them again and I can't find them. So go and check it out and see if you can get them. But anyway, I am going to open this up enough for me to get this front one open. It goes around, but that is how I put on my little angel wings. Okay? So there we have it. So now all we have to do is swing this back around. And if you can't find these, you most certainly can make your own little bows and then just get some really fine pipe cleaners. They might have them around the holidays now. Or maybe you can think of something else to twine it with or get it on here. Okay. And then once you get it on, oops, I just took this whole thing apart. See, when I did that. So what I'm going to do to fix this, rather than mess with it, I'm just going to add a little bit of glue and fix it for a quick fix. Because this is going to get glued down anyway. Okay, so we have our bow fixed, and we're going to cut off the remainder part of this because we don't need it. We're going to glue this to our part. So here is the tree stems. I also got these at Hobby Lobby. I believe they're $2.99, 50% off, so they're $1.50 a bag. And it makes it nice and easy to just cut these down to 5 inches to wrap around our ornament. And I'm using this pretty plaid, what do they call it, buffalo print. And I got that at Hobby Lobby. These I cut down to 6 inches. So let's get started. So we have our bowl of water. And of course we are going to clean off our little tile to make sure that it sticks accurately and that there's no residue or anything like that. I have a bunch of these that I'm going to make, so I figured, well, let me do one with all of you so that you can see how I do it. Again, these are marble. They are pretty thick. They're almost a 1/4 inch thick. They hang on the tree perfectly. I thought they were going to be a little heavy, but they're actually really, really nice. So let's get started. Okay, so here is my water slide, and again, it's white paper, so it needs to be in a little bit longer than our average, which is normally like 40 seconds. These seem to need a little bit more time, so while we're waiting, we are going to put our ribbon on. So you're just adding glue to the sides and pressing and holding. Okay, so that's all you're doing. One on one side, one on the other side. It makes a nice loop. 6 inches is perfect. Okay. So we got that all done. And let's see if our slide is ready. Wipe it off again. Okay, so this is what I mean about the white paper. For some reason, I don't feel like it slides off like the white one, the clear one does. The white one seems like you have to actually just peel it off, and it comes off. Okay? So I'm just going to fix her. It still came out perfect. So she's on there now. This was my mother. I want to say she was in her probably late 20s in that photo. Okay, so now we have our 1 3/4 inch photo. And you want to make sure there's no bubbles, no wrinkles, because once they're dry, now these you can decide if you want to put them in the oven or if you want to bake them so that they don't scratch or anything like that. But if you're going to put these away for the holidays, then I most certainly would wrap them in tissue paper to make sure that they don't get damaged in storage because they might scratch. So if you want to be extra cautious, you can always add them to the oven for 200 degrees for about 12 minutes. Okay, so now that we have that on there, I'm going to gently work and put this on here. So I'm going to add a little bit of hot glue to the backside. They're really fast to make once you get your color prints ready. Okay, and we're going to just wrap this around twice so that it's fully. And you can also do a cute little buffalo bow if you wanted to. And we're just going to bring this around to the side. And we're going to add a little bit of glue here to finish this off so it's nice and secure. So this is a really easy project too. Okay, so we already have our little bow ready. And here is the picture. It's almost dry. Okay, so we got our greenery on there. We got everything on there. And you can also use garland. Dollar Tree has the real fine little garland. You can use that as well. And then all we're going to do is we're going to put our bow at the top here. So I haven't decided if I was going to put these on my store for sale. I most certainly will let you know. I'm just concerned about people's images, if I'm going to be able to work with them accurately. That's the only reason I'm a little hesitant. But you never know. Okay, so our little angel wings are on their side, and there she is. So I have one for my son and one for myself for our Christmas tree. I will also be doing one with my father, and I thought that this was really cute. I have my grandparents I can do, so you can make a whole memory tree of those you love, and I just wanted to show you how quick and easy they are to make. So have fun making your own, and remember those that have passed on, and know that they are all still with us. Bye now.